Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm going to be showing you today where your fuse box is inside of a 2019 Kia Cerato. Okay guys, so when you open up your hood, you'll see that over here there is a fuse box right there. So you just want to pop this over there, pop that, preferably at the same time with two different hands. But for this video, we're doing one hand. Okay, so pop that top off, and then over here you'll see all these little things, all these little icons. These icons will show you where your connector is. So there's a connector, it says here, that's your connector there. Okay, and then you'll see all these fuses over here, and then these are the fuses over here. Okay, different fuses that are missing are for different options that are not there. So fuel pump fuse, fuel pump fuse. Okay guys, over here is all your other fuses, which will be shown here on the little box. Okay, so this is where you find your fuses in a 2019 Kia Cerato. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Peace out.